everybody? It's JK Montana. Welcome back to another video where today we are playing Geometry Dash. Sorry, I suck at Geometry Dash Meltdown. So, let's get started. Yeah, so, I beat all the levels, but no, I didn't. Thanks, Pete. This is my favorite, though. Oh, yeah. Dang it, I suck. Okay, let's see. No. Almost there. But wait, the beat gets better. If you guys didn't like the beat. Oh, yeah. You guys like it now. I'm probably not going to make it to 100 because I'm good, but not that good. I'm actually better at this than Geometry Dash the regular one. I suck at the regular one. Oh my god! Nope, I suck. Yeah, after this one, I'll show you the first one and the third one. More time. Sorry, I want to get past that a bit. Yes. Focus. I'm focusing. So sorry about the commentary. I'm just trying to focus. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'm trying to watch out for this one dude right there. Yes. No! Okay, this is the first one. Oh, I didn't really know. Yeah, I'm just gonna miss it. Dang it! That works. That actually did it. That was like... Yes. This beat's not too bad, but it's pretty good. Yes, sorry about the commentary, guys. I already said that. I'm trying to focus. Focus. Yeah, I'm probably not gonna beat this one. I'm not trying to get crazy though. Junior beat this level. I only got to like 91 on this. Yes. But Jim can't beat my high score in the second one because I suck! Yes. I'll do this a couple more times. Guys. Oh yes. I'm so good at this. Well, I don't want to eat me. I don't want to get eaten. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yeah, we gotta really go for this. No! Oh, close. Oh yes. Oh yes. I suck! Okay, Junior definitely beat me this one. Oh my god. What? I jumped over it. Seriously? Yeah, here's the commercial, guys. Can we move out the way, guys? Yeah, thank you. I kind of like this beat too. I'm not again, but I did it in the second one. I didn't even touch the screen. Did you guys see that? I'm not even, well, you guys can't see it because I'm not even touching the screen. Oh my god, why do I suck at this? Yeah, because I probably did get to lucky 7. Oh, yes. I suck! Yeah, it's really good. Sometimes I don't even play it. This is probably gonna be shit. Oh my god. Look, guys, I'm gonna be quiet. My god! Oh, yes, finally. My god! Seriously, I said that? My god. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. So good. Deliciousness. My gut. My gut! Yeah, sorry guys, I'm trying to be quiet so I can concentrate on this. And probably not talk at the same time because I'm probably gonna suck at this. I don't know how to get that key up there. No! No! Seriously? Are you freaking kidding me? Yeah, I just suck at this level. Screw this level. Yeah, I know you guys don't want to see me just die. Yeah, you guys died. They died. They died. No one can. Yeah, no one gives a care. No one gives a crap. Oh god, I'm died. Why did so bad do it? Oh my god, the lag is bad. I'm at real, whatever. It is bad. Yeah, it's both. Yeah, I'm not gonna get that thing. Yes. I wonder if they could add secret places to this, like secret entrances. Oh yes, delicious. Oh my god, why did I jump? Oh my god, you know what? My eyes are going too fast for me. Stop on this oil. What the? See, my ears are not touching the screen. Probably gonna die right here. Seriously? Oh my god. That thing got lucky. I'm gonna kill it next time. Is there any swords in this so I can kill it?
What? Keep talking to yourself.
Because it's freaking game. It's my...
And then you jump like crazy.
You gonna buy it? Are you gonna buy it? Are you gonna buy it? I don't got no money.
How much is a small bag?
I don't know. Probably like $50.
I think I can get $2 and then buy another small.
No!
What?
Wait, what? No, I was talking about
Buy
the
a $2 bag and one small bag. The small bag can be for Junior. I mean, you can share for the big one.
Or... The mini one only has like 2 hot fries in it. So you like small bag. Concentration. Oh yes. Oh yes. Yes. Oh, okay. Oh yes, I almost died in there. Oh, I died last time in there. Oh yes. Oh yeah, this came out like a long time ago, so I don't know why I'm making a video right now. God dang it! Guys, I'm probably gonna die. Lucky. Oh yes. Oh, I thought that was a part. Oh, I got so close. Okay, guys, so that good song part. Yes. I hate that one. Okay, that part. This is the last time I'm doing. So yeah, it's the last time. Then after this, I'm gonna go try the 3rd level. If I don't get it far. Oh yes. Okay, let's go. 3rd level it is. Last time. That was the one. Oh yeah. Oh. I suck. Trying to concentrate. So sorry, guys. Commentary is so bad in this. Yeah, it's so bad. Oh. Oh my god, how did I jump over when I was tapping the screen? Yeah, that's what I did. That's what I thought. No, I forgot to jump because I was looking at the cube. I was staring at it. Don't get a crap about your game. Your game looks boring. Well, that commercial is the boringest thing in your life. No, this is probably going to be the last one. So I hope you guys liked the video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Oh, give me that ball. Give me that ball, punk. Give me that ball. Give me that ball. I suck at this game. Oh, yes. Oh, that was perfect. Yes.